Alright, video for chapter 6.1, V-slide plate. Dimensions are in inches. We're going to go to File, New. Make sure you're in English with a drop down here. ANSI, inches, IDW, create. Go to Base View. I'm going to use my cube and flip that around. I'm going to up the scale to 1.5. And drop top, right, side view, and isometric. Hit OK. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button, move those up. Let's go to Annotate. Center mark, touched outside of those arcs. Dimension from the bottom to the center. Hit OK. Again, center to center. Drop that in. Let's go center to center. Choose OK. Center to center. Drop that in. Come down here and go center to center. And as long as you're in the dimension command, you can keep going with all your dimensions. Put a thickness on this. Let's put a radius on that. Grab this one. And I think that's about all. I'm going to go here to text. Click inside of this box. Type in your name. Highlight. Drop down. Select. Hit OK. Come down here. Type in chapter 6.1. Highlight. Drop down. Select. Hit OK. And if you want to pan, if you have a center button on your mouse like a roller, you can just hold that down. That's all I'm doing here. Click out in this area. Type in material, colon, space, carbon steel. Highlight, drop down, select, hit OK, and hit escape twice. Come back down here, hold down your left mouse, move that over. Same thing here, just center these up. And there you have chapter 6.1